Good morning. It's Saturday, November 7th, 2020, opening day for National Bass West. I got a bright idea at about 9 o'clock last night to come fish this tournament. Tried to get Matthew to come fish it with me, Warren to come fish it with me, called John Potts to come fish it with me. Everybody's got work or other obligations. Totally get it, but I'm walking into the Lion's Den. These guys out here, National Bass West guys, they're good. A lot of them spent some time on the water practicing, and Castaic, it could be anyone's guess. I mean, some days it's 20-pound bags, and some days you're left holding the bag, zero. So I got my heart pumping, something to do, taking you along with me. I'm not tagged. It's supposed to rain. Held my fingers crossed, drove out here. Sky's dry so far. Of course, as soon as I say that, it's gonna come down. I paid everything, all the options. I'm all in. Kind of expect to get my teeth kicked in. I'm not naive. These guys are really good. They put in a lot of time here. They know this lake really well. So it's gonna be fun. Well, the good news is we made it past inspection. The timing couldn't have been better because not sure if you can see that beautiful stuff on the windshield, but now it's raining. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. Hopefully the fish cooperate as well as the inspection went. How about that hail? Gonna have to get a snow shovel out here for the old skeeter, get it all cleaned up. Fishing has been as hot for me as the weather. I got one smallmouth, probably gonna go weigh in early because I fish by myself, so I gotta get my boat out of the way and there's only one dock. Beautiful weather. I love it. Almost as fast as it came in. The storm's gone, warmed up. It's beautiful out here, absolutely beautiful with the backdrop.
National Bass West, baby!
Nice. What am I gonna get?
I'll show you right now. You guys recording your numbers on that match.
Oh, 16? Yeah, you can give me their weight.
Yeah, 379 email.
Jay Poor and Kevin Jones. Congratulations on your first place victory. What'd you guys weigh today?
I think it was 1720.
1724.
1724.
Yeah.
All right.
I think we had big fish. How big was the fish?
411.
Nice. So
Wow.
current leaders for Angler of the Year, National Bass West. All right.
And
We'll take
Angler of the
First
Year
one.
for 2001.
Cool.
Thanks, Ben.
All right, guys. We'll see you. Sums up National Bass West season opener for me. 2.21, one smallmouth. Didn't get any practice. Had a great time. Thanks everybody. Thanks Richard. Thanks Mark. Thanks everybody else. Thanks Dennis. We'll see y'all next. How many people can say they went ice fishing at Castaic? See if there's anything in there. What's up, buddy? Oh, the pump's going. Oh, the water's warm. The water is actually warmer. There's a nice little smallie. The water is much warmer than the surface temperature. My hands are freezing. That was pretty nice to throw them in there for a second.